Mm-hmm. Hey guys, my name is Shayla and I make these videos every Wednesday. I've been traveling full-time since 2015 and this Wednesday I am in the Philippines on Siargao Island.
Welcome to Siargao.
Yeah! I came here to the Philippines with Young Living and then I just wanted to stay a little longer. I do that all the time. I went to Thailand with a group of friends and stayed a week later. Peru with Danielle's last time I was with Young Living. In Australia I stayed a week later and now here I am in the Philippines. I like to do this because I like to get in the culture a little bit because when you're by yourself you need to ask for people's help. You need to talk to people. When you're kind of in a group, you don't really get as much culture, and so here I am. And Siargao Island is one of the biggest surf spots in the area. Do I surf? No. Do I know anything about the island? No, because I'm just taking a break. I did 2 weeks non-stop, go, big days on camera, then doing work afterwards. Now I'm here for 5 days doing nothing. And the next week I will be with Thalys Train doing a whole trip with them, going to Brussels, Paris, and Amsterdam. And then I think I'm going to England. It's 2 weeks of chaos, 5 days of nothing, 2 weeks of chaos. I'm pretty sure my Airbnb hosts think that I'm just like the weirdest, most antisocial person ever. I'm not. And I had to turn my fan off for this video, so I might start sweating. But I do not like details. Like, for what I do, you think that buying plane tickets and booking places to stay is no big deal. I am so bad at it. I just panic. I think there's always a better deal. What if I make the wrong decision? So Seth sent me a list of possible places I could stay here in Siargao, and this is one of them. And it's awesome. It's a hut. I haven't been here very long, but the few things that I did do outside of my hut, there's a big dock out there, and I see kids jumping off of it. What? First of all, it's really high. Second of all, I think it's pretty shallow. So I go out there with my camera and I'm like taking pictures of them, and then all of a sudden one of the kids starts yelling down below, ah! And then the rest of them go running with this net and they start collecting all these little minnows in this net, and then they start putting them in this like old paint can. Let me see, hold up a fish. What? Oh my gosh, and then you put them in the bucket? All the little fishies. They don't even care that I'm there, and it was great. They didn't, like, they wanted to like interact with me and stuff, but they did not care that I was there at all. They just went on with whatever they were doing. And somebody else was scouting, and they were all just like working as a team, just like to catch these fish. And then I think they eat them later. I don't know. The other outing that I did was I needed to find an ATM because I didn't have enough cash. So I owe the restaurant over here money. I rented a motorbike, which cost me $7. And one of the girls here was like, oh, I can take you. You will? There's like 4 ATMs. The ATM didn't work. Like it was just like, no, we don't want to do it. Literally, I just had to go into a general store and buy money from them. Like they just swiped my card, charged it, and they gave me cash. Luckily, because otherwise I didn't know what to do. And the hills are just thick with palm trees, like so many palm trees everywhere. And you see their homes. And then there's like little markets that they sell things out of, and there's just children running all over the place, dogs running all over the place, water buffalo tied to things. And then the neighbors over there, there's like a family from LA that are Filipino, and they invited me to dinner, and then they invited me to lunch today. So I just feel super stoked and lucky about it. But I want to give you a little tour of this place because it's kind of neat. I've been wearing the same outfit for every day because I'm by myself and I don't have a way to do laundry yet, so let's go check things out. Let me show you things. Okay, this is the view outside that I was just looking at past the camera. Here's my bed. Nothing's clean. I didn't clean this for you guys, so I apologize. And then you have the bathroom, and this bathroom, the whole thing is a shower. Do you see this shower head? It's just in the bathroom. I'm washing my underwear in the sink. Yep. So this is the shower room, and there's a toilet and a sink in there, which is kind of neat. And then I guess this is what some people use to shower. They just fill it up from this little spigot. But also you have to flush sometimes with that. This one flushes, but you like take the water from that, put it in the toilet, and it flushes the toilet. Kind of interesting. And there's a drain there, so like that would be a really easy way to clean. Okay. So here's the bed. This table and chair was out on the patio, but it got really buggy. So I brought it inside. And then right here is the kitchen. Got a fridge, got some filtered water, really important. And then like I make coffee. There's no coffee stick. There you go. Yeah, this is the whole hut. Bedroom, office, kitchen, and bathroom around there. Let's go for a walk. And the whole thing, like, look at the ceiling. It's pretty neat. Look at that. And then there's just the ocean out there. This is where the table's supposed to be, but I moved it with the bugs. Kind of a little self-conscious that someone's gonna see me do this, but it's fine. This is their home. Look at how cute this cottage is. I love it. Okay, and you just walk out here. This is what those kids were jumping off of. That's high, right? I don't know that you can go swimming out here. It's pretty seaweedy. And this gets pretty slippery, so I'm not gonna do that. This is where I've been staying. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. I have another thing to tell you. There is this restaurant that I went to. I'm not very good at cooking for myself. I'm just not very good at cooking in general. So I was going over to the restaurant to get food, but it was so expensive. And she told me it was a private resort, even though my Airbnb person told me I could go there. So I was just walking around this private resort. Oh, hey, yeah, I'll take a coffee, thank you. Like I owned the place. And she's like, what's your name? I was like, Shayla. And she's like, this is a private resort. I was like, okay. But before she did that, I got this cabbage salad, and it's cabbage, mango, papaya, and like a lemon lime vinegar sauce, like dressing, and onions, and it was amazing. So then when the girl from this area took me on the bike ride, I was like looking for food to buy because now I had to buy food because I can't go to the private resort anymore. And I was like, well, I see cabbage and mangoes, and maybe I'll add some ginger, get crazy. There's a lemon, and we'll call it a day. So that's what I bought. So I'm gonna make that tonight, wish me luck. But the past 2 nights when I thought I was gonna make it, the neighbors invited me to dinner. And I'm like doing handstands with their kids, and the little girl's like, you do YouTube? I love YouTube. And I'm like, I love you. Hey, if you're watching, hi. Thanks for watching. Thanks for doing handstands with me. So after this, flying all the way around the world, you guys. I like can't believe this. So I flew from Minnesota to the Philippines. I'll fly to Philippines to Europe, and then Europe back home. So I'm gonna go all the way around the world, and I am amped about it. So that's Siargao. I can't tell you anything about it. I can tell you that if you need to just take a little staycation, then go do it. Go find a cabin or something that you can go sit in for a couple days and just like relax or work on your to-do list or whatever. If you guys like this video, please like it. Please subscribe if you're not already. Signing off from the Philippines, and I will see you guys in Europe. Mwah. Bye. Go, go, go! They did it. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Chloe.
Mm-hmm.